How to turn on or turn off apps for non-payment NFC services on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. After that, tap on NFC and contactless payments. Tap on the left hand side panel. Next, scroll down and tap on non-payment NFC services. In here, go down the list and tap on the apps that you want to turn on or switch off for non-payment NFC service. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.